My name is Taylor Lewis and I'm here with Nicole, and kind of the topic for this week is kind of core endurance. And when we think about our core and our abs, we think about strength, how strong they are or how well do they look in the mirror. But we'll also have to think about how long we have this endurance capacity or exercise capacity to allow us to move. So an exercise we're going to use today to show how you can build some core endurance, not just strength, is stability ball stir the pots. So what Nicole's going to do is she's going to get into the plank position on the Swiss ball here. She has her arms slightly like this, but we're going to just lift up. Now from this position, she's going to do a stir or a circle in one direction, and then she's going to reverse that. Okay? So you'll see here we start with small circles, very slow and controlled. Perfect, drop your knees. One thing to think about is when you're talking about an exercise that really targets the whole core, we want to progress this. And when we think about endurance, endurance is kind of a long duration. So we can't just hop into this and do this for 20 minutes. So now what I'm going to have Nicole do is she first got used to the stability ball stir the pots. Okay, so she did a couple going each direction, kind of felt her position and really stabilized this abdominal region and this kind of whole core region. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start to progress her stirs, and we're going to split it up. So what she's going to do now is she's going to do 3 stirs in one direction. She's going to pause, relax for 5 to 10 seconds, and then she's going to repeat it in the opposite direction. So she's going to lift up, think slow, short duration stirs, 3 in one direction, and then she's going to drop to the knees, relax, and then she'll reset and do the other side. Now the reason why we want her doing this, pausing in between, is we want to reset the system. So if you think about your abdominal muscles and your core muscles, they are firing all the time. The level at which they're firing is going to change. So we need to train that system where we're going to fire it and then relax it, fire it, and then relax it so we can build this capacity. So she did 3 on each side. She split that with about a 10-second pause, and then she's gonna build to 4 stirs, 5, 6, 7, and then eventually we'll do this for time. So she'll do 20 seconds in one direction, pause for 20 seconds, give or take, and then 20 seconds in the other direction. And that's a format and way you can kind of build the endurance, because research shows that we do need core strength, but a big factor for risks of lower back injuries or injuries in general is the lack of endurance our core muscles have to keep operating at the efficiency that we want. So start to fill in with some endurance-based core exercises to help improve the overall factor improvement of your core.